this one. Lucia, what's this? Lo. What's this? Chicken. What's this? Where is purple? Can you point to purple? Wow. Where is brown? Brown. Wow. Where's black? Where is pink? Very good. Where's gray? Gray. Wow. Where is red? Where is yellow? Where is orange? Orange. Good job. Where is green? Last one. Where's the blue? Blue. High five. Blue. High five. High five. Oh. Numbers naman, numbers. Where is number 1? 2. 3. 4. Where's number 5? 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Very good. High five. Where's penguin? Can you show me the penguin? Wow. Can you count the penguins?
Eight.
Fast forward. How many fish? Can you count? Can you count the fish? Wow, shapes.
Can you say shapes?
Where's circle? Circle. Where's square? Where's triangle? Where's parallelogram? Where's oval? Oval. The oval. Hindi niya alam. Where's the rectangle? Rectangle. Nangungula. Ay, nag-iisip. Nag-iisip pala. Ang galing.
Galing. Yung heart. Where's heart?
Where's shape? Heart. Shape heart.
Heart shape. Letters daw. Letters, Papa. A, B, C, D,
Can you sing the alphabet song? Go. A. Y, N. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with and
Yay! Good job!